Hello everybody, welcome to Will Nye Labs, the place where everyone's sponsor will count now because I'm surely losing money right now. Now, today on Will Nye the Science Guy, we will continue to look at simple machines, or rather today, we will be picking them apart. Yeah, you heard me, picking them apart, compound machines, in order to find those sweet, succulent, simple machines that lurk within. It may sound weird. I'm a scientist. I know what I'm talking about. Don't question. Our first compound machine we will pick apart today are scissors. Scissors are made up of two main simple machine parts. You got levers and wedges. The handle, or the part that you put your fingers through, if you prefer, is a lever. That's a lever. If you didn't know, ooh, surprise. Now, anyway, this is the fulcrum of that lever. It's the dot or bolt, whatever you want to call it, in the middle. And I don't really know what it's called, at least besides fulcrum, but the other type of simple machine within it is the wedge, the part where you cut the paper with. So, at least hope it's paper you're cutting with. So, combining these two simple machines, we get scissors. And scissors are what we use to cut paper. So we use the leather to go up and down to make it easier to move the weight of the paper. Also use the wedge to cut through the paper. And now I'm going to be split in half, but there you go. The second compound machine we're going to take apart is bicycle. I mean, we don't have a bicycle here in Will Nye Labs, but what we do have is a scooter. Now they are very similar. You have wheel and axle here at the bottom. This is wheel and axle, spins. You can't see the axle, but it's in there. It spins, and that makes it easier to go across distances. The other part you have here is a lever, which makes it easier to turn, or it really does turn, the bottom wheel. Now the thing with bicycles have a chain, and bicycle's chain is a pulley that connects the two wheels. I can't show you that today because we don't have one here. Will Nye Labs, we can't afford it. But it turns the back wheel, helps to do that. So yeah, that. And you can use your scooter or bike, go for a ride. And my boss is going to kill me for riding a scooter in the lab. But, whatever. That's not going to stay, is it? Well, I'm just going to set this on the ground. Final type, compound machine we are going to tear apart today is the shovel. And the shovel is very similar to the scissors. It is made up of the same two simple machines, the wedge and the handle. And the shovel, it has the handle, part your hand goes through, it's where you hold the shovel with, that's the lever. Also this is the lever. The wedge is right here. So the wedge goes down and punctures the dirt. It punctures right through it and makes a hole. Makes that easier than if you dug with your hands, like I mentioned in episode 2. Then the lever helps you turn using your left hand, or whatever your non-dominant hand is. I don't really know how you do it. It's fulcrum. And makes it easier to lift it up out, and you really just toss it. The other way you could have done is just digging with your hands and then pushing the dirt, which you don't want to do. It's not fun. It's a lot easier if you use a shovel, so use a shovel. That's the 3 compound machines we have torn apart today to gaze upon their inner simple machines. Since I'm running out of words to use for rip apart, and yes, I've been using different ones, and every time, it is time for me to end this video here, and remember, don't try this at home.